This video will show you 5 solutions on how to take Vivo contacts, backup, including backup to PC, export to SIM card, upload to cloud, as well as backup to another phone. Part 1. How to backup Vivo contacts to PC via Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Step 1. Install and launch Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your computer, then click Android Backup and Restore. Step 2. Connect your Vivo to the computer with a USB cable. Enable the USB debugging and give certain permissions as prompted. When your Vivo is detected, you will see the interface like below. Click the backup option. Step 3. Choose contacts. Then click Browser and customize the location on PC to store the contacts. After selecting, click Backup to create a Vivo Contacts backup. Part 2. How to backup Vivo contacts to computer via Coolmuster Android Assistant. Coolmuster Android Assistant allows you to preview contacts from Vivo on PC and selectively select the required ones to export. 2.1. How to create Vivo backup in one click. Step 1. After installing Coolmuster Android Assistant on PC, open it and click Android Assistant. Step 2. Connect Vivo device to your computer with a USB cable. Turn on your USB debugging on Samsung according to the prompt. Then Android Assistant will detect your Vivo phone in a short time. Step 3. After connection, click Super Toolkit on the top and then tap Backup. Next, select the items you want to back up on the pop-up windows, for example, contacts. After selecting, click Backup at the bottom of the interface. 2.2. How to copy contacts from Vivo phone selectively to PC. Step 1. After your Vivo is detected by Android Assistant, choose Contacts from the left sidebar. You will then see all the contacts on Vivo phone are displayed on the right. Step 2. Select the contacts that you want to copy and then click the Export button on the top. Here you can choose the format you wish to save your contacts. Part 3. How to import or export contacts in Vivo from Word to SIM card. Step 1. Open the Contacts app on your Vivo phone. Step 2. Tap the menu icon for more options. Step 3. Select Settings, Manage Contacts, Import or Export. Step 4. Select Export to SIM card or Import from SIM card. Part 4. How do I back up my contacts on Vivo via vivoCloud? Step 1. Open the vivoCloud on your phone. Step 2. Sign into your Vivo account. If you don't have a Vivo account, register one. Step 3. Tap Contacts and then tap Backup. Part 5. How to copy from Vivo phone to another phone via Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Step 1. Install and run Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on PC. Then click Mobile Transfer from the toolbox. Step 2. Connect your Vivo and the target phone to PC via USB cables. After the two phones are detected by the software, check if your Vivo phone is the source phone. If not, click Flip to change the positions. Step 3. Check the box next to Contacts and then click Start Copy. Your contacts from the Vivo phone will be transferred to the target device quickly.